Over 150 million people use Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO every year to plan their dream vacation. What most of them don't know is that among those millions of listings, some of them are traps. And if you're unlucky enough to fall into one, you lose both your vacation and every dollar you paid for it. Let me show you exactly how this happens, step by step. You and a group of friends decide to spend your summer vacation on the Mediterranean coast in Marbella, Spain. Instead of a hotel, you want something special, a modern villa with multiple bedrooms right near the beach. So you open Airbnb, start searching through hundreds of listings in Marbella, and one of them stops you cold. The perfect villa, perfect location, perfect price, perfect space. You found it. The host has hundreds of positive reviews, has been a member since 2015, and has rented the property dozens of times. You select your dates, make the reservation request, and message the host. The host responds quickly, but asks you to continue the conversation on WhatsApp, sending you a number written with spaces and dashes to avoid Airbnb's detection. No problem, you think. He explains everything about the villa, sends extra photos, tells you how happy all previous guests were. You're thrilled. You're ready to tell your friends. But what happens next will leave you speechless. The host tells you 2 other groups are interested in the same dates, and you need to pay the full amount today to confirm your reservation. The total cost is $5,000, but if you pay today, he offers you a 20% discount, just $4,000. You save $1,000. Basically, your flight's for free. You call your friends, collect the money, and you're ready to pay. Then the host tells you his card payment system is temporarily down, and that Airbnb will send you an invoice to pay by bank transfer instead. Minutes later, an email arrives from Airbnb. The invoice looks perfect. Villa photo, reservation dates, your name, the discounted amount, and a bank account number to transfer the money to. You log into your bank, make the transfer, send the payment confirmation, and within minutes receive an email confirming your reservation is complete. The host confirms on WhatsApp, payment received, everything is ready, he'll see you when you arrive. Weeks pass. The day finally arrives. You buy flights, pack your bags, and head to the airport. You land in Spain. You take a taxi to Marbella. You arrive in front of the villa. You call the host. No answer. You call again. Nothing. You send a WhatsApp message. Nothing. 1 hour passes, 2 hours, 6 hours. You contact Airbnb support in a panic and send them everything: the conversation, the listing link, the payment confirmation. Their response destroys you. The payment never reached them, they never sent that invoice, and the listing has been deleted. And at that moment, standing in front of a stranger's villa, thousands of miles from home, you finally understand what happened. The money is gone. The vacation is gone. All that's left is a flight home. So, what went wrong? And how did it feel so real every single step of the way? Red flag number 1. The host moved you off Airbnb's official chat and onto WhatsApp. The moment you leave the platform's official chat, you lose every protection that platform offers you. Red flag number 2. He told you his card payment was down and pushed you toward a bank transfer. Legitimate platforms never ask you to pay outside their system. Ever. Red flag number 3. You paid the full amount up front to an unknown bank account with zero guarantee. Now here's something most people don't know, and something I know from the inside. Thousands of Airbnb accounts with real history and real reviews are stolen and sold on the dark web every single day. That host who joined in 2015 with hundreds of positive reviews, the real owner of that account has no idea their profile is being used to scam people right now. So how do you protect yourself? 3 rules that would have stopped this scam completely. Rule 1. Never leave the official chat of the platform. Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO all hide your personal contact details automatically for your protection. Rule 2. Always pay through the platform's official payment system. Your money stays protected until you check out and confirm everything is perfect. Rule 3. If anyone asks you to pay by bank transfer or sends you an invoice by email, stop immediately. That is not how any legitimate vacation platform works. The invoice looked exactly like it came from Airbnb. The email address looked almost identical, but almost is not the same as real. I've prepared a free PDF guide, 10 steps to protect yourself from online scammers starting today. The link is in the description. Completely free, no catch, delivered instantly to your inbox. Subscribe for weekly inside breakdowns of how online scams really work before they reach you. Share this with someone planning a vacation right now. You might save them everything. Until next time, stay safe online.